challenging. Cats can be a little bit challenging to pill, but you can go through and be able to give your cat pills at home successfully. Some cats take it very well. If your cat's food motivated, you can go through and be able to put the pill in a small piece of a really high value treat, like maybe some cheese or whipped cream, even going through and using the canned cheese too, like Cheese Whiz can also be helpful. If your cat's onto you and not really quite feeling the whole hiding the pill within the treat trick, you can go through and basically open their mouth, and then you take the pill and push it as far back as you can possibly into their mouth. Don't try to gag them, but try to push the pill far back into their mouth. And what you can do is you can lightly hold their mouth shut. And then I find if you go through and you be able to kind of tickle their nose or even blow on their nose, that makes them swallow. So that can be a helpful little trick to get your cat to not only get the pill into their mouth, but also swallow the pill too.